Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. If you love Mickey Mouse as much as we do, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're going to show you how to draw everyone's favorite little mouse, Mickey. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it's going to be easy, fun, and full of magic. So grab your pencil, paper, and let's get started on creating Mickey's big, friendly smile and those iconic mouse ears. All right, let's get started. First, we're going to draw Mickey's nose. Start by drawing an oval right in the center of your page. This will be the heart of Mickey's face, so make sure it's not too big or too small, just the perfect size for his adorable snout. Ready? Let's go. Add 2 more ovals above the nose for the eyes. Now, let's add Mickey's iconic smile. Start just below the nose and draw a curved line that swoops up on both sides. Make sure it's big and bold. Mickey's smile is one of the happiest around. You can even add little curves at the ends to make it extra cheerful. Next up, let's add what makes Mickey truly unforgettable, his big round ears. These iconic ears are what really set him apart, so let's make them nice and bold. Draw 2 large circles on either side of the head, making sure they're perfectly even and symmetrical. Mickey's ears are always big, round, and full of charm. If Mickey Mouse were human, he'd be about 91 years old today. That's because Mickey first appeared on November 18, 1928, in the short film Steamboat Willie. Imagine all the adventures he's had in those 91 years. He's truly timeless. You know what that means? Your mom and dad, and even your grandma and grandpa were enjoying Mickey Mouse when they were your age. Ask them about Mickey and ask them to share their story with us on the comment section. I would love to hear those. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.